Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you are all good, fit, and fine. I am also doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is 𝗲𝗏𝗀𝐻𝐴 Shakil in front of you. I am a student. I study at 𝗘𝗃 College as well as I am a student of Prime English Academy. My favorite hobby is playing cricket and also learning English. I would like to be a good businessman. I am very loyal, hard worker, and punctual as well. That's all about me. Now I would like to share my feeling spoken English course about spoken English course at Prime. Frankly speaking, before attending this course, I didn't know how to make a single sentence. I didn't know how to pronounce a difficult word. This kind of terrible problem I had. At that time, I decided I have to learn English. How can I learn English? I didn't know. And finally, I got the Prime English Academy, this kind of institution where I will be able to learn English. If I talk about facilities of Prime English Academy, there are lots of facilities who are helpful for the every kinds of students. Now I would like to finish up today. Many thanks for your patient hearing. Salam.